In the past few years, many banks were exiting or freezing customer accounts that behave in a highly suspicious manner. This was due to a regulator expectation for banks to debank very high-risk accounts. Many of these accounts were small businesses or consumers that engaged in activities that looked suspicious or were actually doing cash structuring, but behind those were totally legitimate reasons. In 24, this pendulum will shift towards protecting customers, especially consumers, but also small businesses, from wrongful exits. And banks will be asked to show that their decisions were unbiased and not just, a risk control situation. To do that, banks will need to find more about their customers, get more context, get much better understanding of their customers' activities and life stories that would generate such anomalous behavior.